Hello YouTube, this is Lego Miniman 10 here today. I wanted to have a talk with those of you who really wanted to build something made out of Legos from a Lego set. I felt like doing that one time too. What really disappointed me was I didn't have enough Legos. Even though I have like 50 million sets, just exaggerating, I couldn't find some pieces out of it. But today, I'm going to show you, those of you who wanted to build from a Lego set. And don't be ashamed. This will be the first of many building from Lego set videos. So, I will tell you what I will be building from, and yeah, here it is. So this is the set I will be building with today. It is a 405 piece big box of Legos. It has 25 ideas in the booklet, which I'm not going to use today. And it also has 4 and up. I know that might sound stupid, but it's actually really fun for those of you who have actually tried out the booklet. So, here are the pieces you will need today. You will need 2 gray flat 2x4s. Yes, they have to be gray. 2 2x4 whites. You will need 4 1x4s that are white. You will need 4 cylinder, just 4 cylinders. 2 green and 2 orange flat cylinders. You will need 8 1x2s. 8 1s. And 2 glass panes. The tall ones. Now, here's what we're going to start off with. Grab your 2 flat pieces and make sure you flip around so they look like they're chomping down. Okay? Now you're going to grab your 2 glass panes right here and stack them right in the middle on the first block. Then you're going to grab 4 of your 1x1s and stack them on the side of the glass panes. Any side matters. Oops. Accidents happen, it's gonna be okay. So after that, you will grab 4 more 1x1s. And stack them on the side. Once you got that, you're going to flip it to the side. Make sure that's still there. And grab 1 1x2. Now grab another 1x2. Stack it like that. Now we're going to face it in the inside. We're going to grab our 4 cylinders. There. right here. And our 4 flat cylinders that we collected earlier. Once you got those, you're gonna put the flat cylinders on top of the cylinders. Make sure they click. Once you got those, I want you to put them in piles. So orange goes on top of orange, just like that, and green goes on top of green. Now we're gonna grab our 1x4, stack it on the back. Now we're gonna go up 4 times. So I want you to grab 3 more 1x4s and 1x2s and start stacking. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I want you to grab your 2x4s now, flip it through the front, and click these on the sides, sideways. And there you go. There is your vending machine. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Check on my channel for more videos. Peace out.
Lately I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. But baby, I've been praying hard. Said no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars. Yeah, we'll be counting stars.